nag-meet siya, si Bon. Ako po yung nag-meet siya na ano, makikita nyo may pusong bato talaga. Tapang. Naganda ako ng speech na to. Alaman kung ikakasal ka, mga 8 months. Salita rin ako ng marami tao. Hirap kasi magsalita eh. Best wishes kay Bene and Tisha, and happy birthday to. Thank you din kay sa Sanchez family, Brother Bo, kay Maru. Hindi ko nga alam kung ano tatawag ko kay Brother Bo. Paring Bo! Paring Bo! Hello, Bo! Parang Gen Z, bro! Thank you nga pala sa inyo sa support. Kahit paano mo akong tao. Thank you. At sa mga shout out nga pala sa mga taga-Malabon. Gusto Malabon. Si Malit.
Seriously, Tisha and Bene, ito yung message tayo. Today is a very special day for our family. And we thank God not only because it's Tisha's birthday, but because we are gifted with a new son. Today is also a beautiful reminder that love always finds its way, even after a few twists, turns, and second chances. All of us have seen your story, from the kilig moments, to letting go, to finding your way back to each other. Para sa akin si Tisha, one man, woman. First and last love ko din si Bon. So after 11 years, kinasal kami. Same as Tisha and Bene, 11 years, then from the time they met, 2014. Pero kakaiba yung love story nila kasi nag-date sila ng 4 years. Actually, binigyan namin ng deadline si Bene. Hindi ko alam kung alam ni Bene yun. Meron kaming hashtag May 30, 2021. Kasi after 4 years, hindi pa rin nakaka-move on si Tisha. Naalala ko yun, May 30, kasi May 30 sila nag-break. And hindi ko rin makakalimutan kasi anniversary namin yun. As boyfriend and girlfriend. So after 4 years, sinasabihan na namin si Tisha mag-move on, pero hindi pa rin siya tumatanggap talaga ng suitors. Akala ko papasok siya sa kumbento. Diba? Kasi ilang beses niyang binasa yung Bible from cover to cover. 3 times, 4 times. Yeah, they have both grown individually, full of love for the Lord. And now, here they are, officially Mr. and Mrs. Starting there forever. It's not just romantic love, but it's real, beautiful love. We may be on the sidelines now, pero know that we are always here for you, just a skyway away. Excited na rin kami sa mga future mini Bene and mini Tisha. Natatawag sa amin na Papa Bon and Mama Beth. Pwede na kami maging lolo at lola, kaya go lang. So again, best wishes sa inyo. Congratulations. And cheers to forever. More hugs and kisses, food, coffee, and kids. We love you.